How to log in to Canva account. So if you want to log into your Canva account, then first of all open up the browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and on the search bar search for canva.com. And now to log in, on the upper right corner you will have a login option. You can click on that. And you will have two ways. You can continue with Google or you can continue with another way. So if you want to continue with Google, like if you have already created an account using Google, then you can click on here and then it will directly log into your Canva account. But if you want to continue with another way, then you can click on continue another way, and then you can choose to continue with Apple or to continue with Google, with Facebook, with Microsoft, or with Clever, or with email, or to continue with work email, or to log in with mobile. So you can choose any of these options. I'll continue with email, and now you have to enter your email, and after entering that, click on continue. And now you have to enter the code which Canva has sent to this mail which you have just entered. So open up your Gmail, and after opening here you will receive the code. So copy this code and paste it here. And that's it guys, that's how you log into your Canva account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.